again, now we focus to continue to design the inside of the garden. So I click resume to zoom this part, and I have here the good position that I see clearly that the object that I want to subtract, so this object I want to subtract, and I design the blue cube again to have our original door from this object. So as I say, the position here it's important, but now for the X side I want to make it more different. So I click here subtraction again. I select the first big object and enter, and the second object and enter, and you see that you have the door. So I do another command is section. So for to cut this object into part. So I select, as you see, two point for the trajectory of the cut, and after I selected, or I click to the part that I want to save. This is the right part for my situation. So this is the principle or the base to use the command. So now I want to show you how another important command to know is how to extract just one face from the object. So in 2D, of course, somebody confused from it. So the command it's this is the command for to have extract just one face, as you see, from the object. It's will be so necessary as extrusion. So I click to this object to have in the same level from here to have the first appearance, to see the first appearance of the excite. And so I copy this object from 3 or more this to have a multiple doors when with multiple colors. So this is the thickness or technique, sorry, or the goal of this way to design the excite. So to have multiple doors to excite from the garden. So this will be as techniques also for to use it for the input of the garden also, but I preferred for this project to see you from the excite. Now I use a command surplane. So surplane is for to create a surface from a surface for to recover a part. So I decide to recover this part, so I use it. This color is because I choose it from the first so this is why I have this color. I can change it, of course. I use the color of calc. I select it again and I choose it to a color of calc. So I have the project here, the input and the excite of the project. It's finished. So it's finished. And of course you can remember all the options that I said about to subtract the project, about to cut the object, of course, and to create a color intern the object, and of course to create a surface. It's all these instructions is frequently used in the 3D of a 3D object. So see you for the next video.